to Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, CNC machines, water jets, lasers, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you a great deal. Here at Sterling Machinery Exchange, we get some great machine deals. This, if you look, is still on the original pallet. It's a brand new machine. It's never been used. We just cleaned it up a little bit. We're getting everything cycled out to test it, make sure everything's good on it. Of course, the head sounds great. You can see we have our threading. We have threading. Super easy to use. It's a 17 by 40 machine. Here's our longitudinal. That's our feed. Right here, you just move this little guy up neutral, and then you'll have your cross feed. Easy to change the gears. Switch your gears, you have a little jog switch. Lets you make sure that you're right in gear. There's a high speed again. Sounds great up to see a brand new machine show. Foot brake to match. Machine's ready to go. Give us a call. Let us know what you have for sale, what you're looking to buy, sell, or trade. As you can see, you can get some great deals from us. We'd love to help you out. 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.